Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel and welcome to this look at the Airfix Spring Sale 2025. All of these deals apply to the Airfix online store. If you go there through the link in the information box below, then at no extra cost to you, Airfix will have to make a contribution to the running of this channel. And do remember, you can still use your Airfix Club 10% discount, and you can use and collect Hornby Hobby reward points too. Let's look at the best of the bargains. A string of kits have had prices slashed from $34.99 to just $14.99. That's a 57% reduction. Best of the bunch for me is the 1/48 scale Hawker Sea Fury FB11, here in the set with markings for 1831 Squadron Fleet Air Arm, 724 Squadron of the Royal Australian Navy, and the privately owned G Fury. From the same post-war period is the de Havilland Vampire FB5 and FB9 set in 1/48 scale. Here the options are for an aircraft of 213 Squadron RAF based in Egypt, and an aircraft of 502 Squadron Royal Auxiliary Air Force based near Belfast, and an aircraft of the French Armée de l'Air. Then there is the Gloucester Meteor F8, also in 1/48 scale. This box features aircraft from two display teams, the Evergreens of the Royal Air Force College of Air Warfare and the Meteorites of the Royal Australian Air Force. Here you can see the engine and stand that is included in the kit. Also in 1/48 scale is the Supermarine Spitfire Mark 18, now at half price, and ideal incidentally for the 48 in 48 group build in support of Models for Heroes being held in March. As well as the classic box art colours of 60 Squadron RAF based in Malaya in 1947, the kit has optional markings for an aircraft of Western Air Command HQ of the Indian Air Force from the same time. Into 1/72 scale and two legendary bombers. First is the North American B-26C and D Mitchell, again at 57% off the list price. This box features two unusual schemes: an aircraft of the 445th Bomb Squadron, US Army Air Force, resplendent in the desert pink colour of service in French Morocco, and an aircraft of 1st Squadron Uman Airfield in the service of the Soviet Union in 1944. Also with a desert option is the Blackburn Buccaneer S2 from the Lossiemouth wing that served with the Royal Air Force during the Gulf War of 1991. Schemes from two aircraft of the Sky Pirates are provided. The last of the half-price deals here is the Hawker Tempest 5 in post-war service. This 1/72 scale kit comes from a 2022 tooling and is on sale at just £6, sporting bare metal markings for an aircraft of 26 Squadron RAF or the more conventional camouflage of 80 Squadron RAF. That's a decent little kit for £6. A lot of 1/43 scale kart starter sets are on offer at 1/3 off. These include the classic Aston Martin DB5, Jaguar E-Type and the Land Rover Series 1, as well as some more modern hypercars, the Lamborghini Huracan Evo, the Bugatti Chiron, the Pagani Huayra, and the McLaren 765 LT. Each of these now just £9.99. Finally, it looks like most of the quick build range is on offer too. All of these here and more vehicles and aircraft are 1/3 off at £9.99. Now remember, all of these have to be purchased through the Airfix online store. A link is in the information box below, and you can still get your Airfix Club 10% discount if you're a member and earn or spend hobby reward points too. As always, all of the offers listed are available only while stocks last, so don't hang around if you've a favourite kit you want to buy. Thanks very much for watching today. Hope you found it useful. Take good care now, and goodbye.